Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create the custom icons for your new iOS 14 with Halloween theme. So let's go to your shortcuts, tab plus, then scripting, open app, find the app that you need. We'll start from Instagram, tap next, write down the name. It's Instagram, tap done, then three dots again, add to home screen, choose photo, and then choose the photo that you like. So we're using this one first with the bats. Next, tap add and done again. Let's add another one. Scripting, open app, choose the app that you want to make custom. Let's do Snapchat. Tap next, write down the name. Alright, then tap three dots. Then three dots again. Alright, choose a photo. This one. Alright, choose, and then add and hit done. And done again. Tap plus, another app, choose the app. So let's do this time mail. Tap down the mail, then tap three dots. Tap done, add to home screen, choose photo, then choose the photo. So we have this one here, add, done, and done again. Add another one, tap scripting, open app, choose, then find another app. So this time we're gonna do music. Tap next, write down music. Right, three dots, then three dots again, add to home screen, music, choose photo, and then we're gonna add this spider, cute spider over here. So tap done, and another one. So scripting, open app, choose the app, swipe down, let's see. Photos, tap next, write down. Not exactly. We are doing photos. Yeah. Let's write down photos. So three dots again, and add to home screen. Choose photo. Let's pick this beautiful cat over here, and then add, hit done. Alright, done again. So we see these beautiful pictures here. So we're gonna remove from home screen the ones that we don't need right now. So, and then we're gonna add some down here, move them the way that we really like. So yeah, let's do cat down here, this one between. So now you know how to make a custom icon for your new iOS 14. You can add some more, and I wish you a happy Halloween.